Hello guys and welcome to another episode of Hairdos. Let's get started. In this video we're going to make a French or Dutch braid. You can make it with yourself if you know how to, or you can use this tool, or you can just roll it over and add your favorite scrunchie. In the next one we're going to make a half tie and then roll it over the another hair left and pin it up with a beautiful looking hair clip. It looks like the Japanese doll hairstyles. In another one we're going to use a clip with 3 clips on it. It has a beautiful design. Now we're going to use some section of hair, then roll it down and then click it with the pin that we are using, and then we're going to roll it over for the rest of the hairs. In the next one we're going to use one part of the hair and then braid it down, or you can roll it down to the another clip. Then we're going to use the 3 section of hair with just this one. This looks very pretty. In the next one we're going to use our hands and then roll above our hair just like this one and use a very beautiful flower clutcher to pin it up. In the next one we're going to use another half tie and add the pin. Then we're going to use a roll over to the rest of the hairs, and then we're going to pin it up to make it look very elegant. In the next one we're going to make a ponytail and then click it with some Japanese hairpins. Then we're going to use some hairpins. In the next one again we're using this pin with 3 pins. Then we're going to use our 3 section of the hairs. Then we're going to tie them together and use a pin to tie them very neatly and nicely. Thank you everyone for watching.